direct supply of molten aluminum in Jinan Hydeb Thermotech Company Limited. Ladle preheater is used to heat the lining of aluminum ladle quickly and evenly to the appropriate temperature to ensure the temperature of injected molten aluminum. The temperature and time can be automatically controlled, and it has the functions of gas, combustion supporting air pressure alarm, ignition abnormal alarm, etc. For aluminum refining and degassing equipment, high-purity inert gas and flux are used to remove hydrogen and aluminum slag from molten aluminum to ensure its quality. By using different functional fluxes, the functions of deterioration, degassing, modification, and slag removal can be accomplished. Fully automatic operation can significantly improve the working conditions on site. After degassing, the temperature and hydrogen content of molten aluminum are measured. The hydrogen analyzer and density index analyzer are used to measure hydrogen content in molten aluminum qualitatively and evaluate degassing effect. The analyzers can complete the analysis of hydrogen content in aluminum in 5 minutes with reliable test results. If the temperature does not meet the requirements of the factory, we need to keep warm. Immersion molten aluminum heating equipment can be used to heat and keep warm the molten aluminum in the molten aluminum ladle. Silicon nitride ceramic heater is directly immersed in molten aluminum and directly transfers heat to it by conduction. It has high thermal efficiency, high speed, uniform temperature of molten aluminum, and less oxidation, ensuring that it keeps high quality for a long time. Weigh the aluminum ladle that meets the requirements of factory. Then load it into the truck. Transfer aluminum to customer factory by special vehicle along the specified route. Rolled molten aluminum transfer ladle is used to transport molten aluminum to aluminum factory for long distance. The aluminum ladle is excellent in thermal insulation performance with a natural temperature drop less than 12 degrees Celsius per hour. Suitable for long-distance transportation. Lightweight, saving transportation costs. No leakage of molten aluminum. Safe transportation. Poor infiltration of inner layer of the aluminum ladle. Anti-corrosion of molten aluminum. Safe arrival of vehicles at the customer factory. The aluminum ladle is unloaded from the truck. Firstly, weigh the incoming aluminum ladle. After weighing, the aluminum ladle is put on the tilder, and the molten aluminum is packed into the aluminum ladle in the factory. The speed and angle of hydraulic tilting can be freely controlled. The aluminum ladle transferred by the forklift is put beside the pouring machine, and the molten aluminum is injected into the heat preservation furnace. The empty aluminum ladle is weighed to calculate the actual weight of molten aluminum supplied. Load the empty ladle in the car. Safe return of vehicles to aluminum hydraulic works. The empty aluminum ladle is unloaded from the truck and weighed to check the weight of the molten aluminum supplied. Clean up the sticky slag in the lining of aluminum ladle that returned to the factory. The cleaned aluminum ladle will be heated and insulated for the next injecting of molten aluminum.